that's gonna be an issue, cause you're not the mayor here anymore.
Says who?
Says your Royal Majesty Parrot X2 King of Unstable, buddy.
Okay.
See that crown on his head? And I'm his bodyguard. His royal bodyguard. So you don't want to be making threats around
Theo,
here.
what are you?
Now, step off. Faimata is the mayor here. Any problems with that? Yeah? Any problems with that? The king's in town, buddy. All hail the king. All hail the king, baby.
Yo, it's King Parrot. Oh my god. Is that really you?
Yeah.
I guess so.
You're looking at the king and his royal bodyguard.